How to mute chat message sound on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to mute it easy and quick. First open Truecaller and then click on your profile here in top corner, and then click this settings icon, and after that just click sounds, and here we'll find sound settings. Then all you need to do, just click chat messages, select settings, scroll all the way down, and here we'll find no one, or maybe you will find it, just search for it and you will find it. And that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.